Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by gearing up for an efficient set. Put on gloves, grab a hoop net rated for catfish weight, and attach a 1/2-inch mesh bait pouch. Once done, bait the pouch with cut shad or chicken liver and weigh the bottom ring with a 1/2 lb sinker so the net sinks upright. Make sure your anchor line is long enough to reach the drop where catfish hold. This immediate action gets the net working fast while fish are active. You now place the hoop net smartly. Set it downstream with the opening facing current so scent flows through the mesh. This is how catfish locate bait. Once placed, tie the line to a visible float and shore anchor. Record a landmark or GPS point so you can return precisely. Make sure to check the net every 30 to 60 minutes to prevent bycatch stress and to rebait with fresh bait when scent wanes. Adjust depth if you find only small fish. You retrieve the hoop net by pulling slowly to keep fish from escaping. Lift the rear first so the mouth stays open until you're ready. Once you have fish, use pliers for hooks and handle catfish by the lower jaw or with a wet rag to avoid slime damage. Release undersized or protected fish immediately. If the net comes up empty, change depth, switch to fresher bait, or move closer to structure. Those quick adjustments often fix the problem and increase your catch rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.